don't understand how it's funny. You're just like, smack.
It's fun.
I'll pass. Yeah, it's so hardcore. That sounded like it hurt. It's Josh. He scared me on the way down here. Well, gee, both of her parents are downstairs. We would have heard them walk upstairs, so how would they be coming back downstairs if they're already down here?
You're completely right.
And unless there's a burglar in the house, it's Josh.